Hello, everybody, and welcome back again to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer. And, well, we got lots of stuff to talk about because this is a multi use coupon, and I found another way to use it to save you tons of money. Yeah, on something you eat and you know you want to know. So come on in and let's explore these food deals. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, let's get you hooked up because, like I said, it's a food deal and we all need to be saving money in the grocery department. So, you don't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or our awesome information. Look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you'll be right there with us, saving money on things that we use all the time and consume. All right, everybody. Thank you, because I know why I was blah, 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 blah. You guys was hitting that like button, leaving me a comment and an emoji, and sharing, even to yourself. Share it to me. Who cares? Just share it. All that stuff is super important, and I so appreciate you doing it. You're helping everyone when you do it. So please and thank you. Now, a couple of orders of business before we proceed. First off, we have one of us who's got a medical emergency. She needs our love, our support, our prayers. That's Christy of Christy's Coupons. Her husband's had a medical emergency. Guys, okay? And keep an eye out for when she comes back. Make sure we go and visit. All right. Now, what are we talking about? Well, remember I told you that I was going to be paying a lot of attention to food items? Well, this is it. At least once a week, we're going to be doing food. And this is the once a week. This is all about food today, guys. And I've got several any day of the week deals that you can do. And I've got a scenario with those deals combined. And it's going to save you money. So let's talk about what we got. Now, this is at $2 off of 10 of General Mills products. And we've got a sale going on the El Paso products. Now, this is the sale on the tortillas. 2 for $4 select El Paso tortillas. So scan them, make sure they're part of the 2 for $4. Now, they have different sizes of the tortillas. And since we're going to be getting 4 packages, I would get a variety of sizes because you can do a variety of things with them. And as you can see, we've got 2 coupons that are going to apply. $1 off when you spend 6, and that's a regular manufacturer coupon, so it will stack with the store coupon. So you've got an additional $2. Now, this is also glitching, okay? So you know. It's glitching because it's giving you earns back as well. And it does that because you're purchasing multiple items, and it's only accounting for 1 coupon. This is my belief anyway. So you will get earns back. I've done this deal, and you will get them back. Now you also get your $1 off, and then you'll also get your $2 off. Now, this is still 2 for $4, and it is the $3.50 tortillas, okay? The big ones, the grandes. You get 6 tortillas in there. You can make huge wraps with these. Now, this is, these cost more than your other ones. So this is a bigger savings. You're literally saving $1.50 for each one of these. All right? So, depending on what you want to do with your tortillas, if you like wraps, I would get, a bunch of these. If you like the breakfast tacos, or you're doing just little soft shell tacos, then you want to do the little ones. If you got little kids, you want to do the little ones. And if you're doing burritos, you want to go for the medium-sized ones. And if you want to make the pizzas, this big one is the one you use for the Mexican pizzas. Alright, so you're going to pick up 4 of these. And then you're going to go just pick up some Chex Mix. The dollar Chex Mix. 2 of them. Now you got a 75-cent on the Chex Mix for the dollar. Off of 2. And they're $2. Okay. And that's going to bring you your $10. That's $6.25 after your coupons come off, which is your $1 for tortillas and your $2 for your General Mills coupon. But then you have $1 in earns coming back on this deal. So your out of pocket for this deal is $5.25 for 4 tortillas and 2 Chex Mix. Final out of pocket is $5.25 for 6 items. And what's that, guys? It's a winner chicken dinner. Yeah. Now my other thing is there is 2 coupons for save 75 cents on the 2 of the Bugles. Now this says for 5.5 ounces or larger, this is glitching, okay? It is glitching because it's working on the dollar Bugles. In the Chex Mix, it's only working on the bigger Chex Mix, but it is working on the 3.7 ounce Bugles. So let's make the correction to this deal now. Instead of the Chex Mix, they're going to pick up the Bugles. Because, like I said, you've got 2 coupons, and both these coupons have the same issue. They're only applying to the dollar Bugles and not the dollar Chex. They're applying to the $2.65 Chex. Now, both of these, even though they have all this other stuff listed, they're actually only attaching to the Chex and the Bugles. Now, the other thing I want to point out, there is an earn on these. And it's 50 cents. And since there's 1 coupon, for 2 items, you should get a 50-cent earn. Because that's how it's glitching. Now, because the Chex Mix is junk food and it's might not be up your diet alley, when I was looking around, I came across this. I thought this was a good alternative because it's on sale. 4 of the Yoplait yogurts for $3. They're regularly 95 cents a piece. So for $3.95, you can get 5 Yoplait yogurts. And you've got a 50-cent coupon off of that. So that's going to be $3.45, something like that, for 5 Yoplait yogurts. So if you want to replace the Chex Mix products in this scenario with this yogurt deal, the out-of-pocket's going to be a little bit more. Our next deal is an instant savings deal, and it is on Kraft products, and we've got some earns back on that, so it makes it a really good deal. So we're going to pick up 2 of the ranch dressings, or whatever dressing that you like. They're $3 a piece, so it's 2 for $6, and you get earns back on both of those. 65 cents each earn. You can use up to 5. So we're going to pick up 2. This item we're going to pick up is the Kraft mayonnaise. It is $5, and we've got a $1 earn on this. Okay, there is no coupons for this deal. It is all earns and instant savings. Because when you spend $10, you're going to save $2 on this deal. So, this is $11. We got $2 in instant savings coming off. That leaves you $9 out of pocket. You got $2.30 in earns. And it is $6.70 in final out of pocket. Now, if you just wanted to do 2 mayonnaise, if you use a lot of mayonnaise in your house, that's $10. You're going to get your $2 in instant savings, and then you're going to get $2 in earns. You're looking at $6 out of pocket for 2 of these jars of mayonnaise, or $3 a jar. Now, that's a winner chicken dinner. Our last deal is the Stouffer's urn. Now, this one is a $2 urn, and this works on the 1650 lasagna, and it works on the 575 Stouffer's family size pepperoni pizza pasta bake. Okay, it says family size. So you're going to pick up 1 of these. Now, you could actually pick up 2 of these pizza pastas, and you would get $4 in earns, because you can use it up to 5 times. Or you could do another Stouffer's item, like any of these items here. You have a $1 off earn. So you've got several different individual meals that you can purchase and get a $1 back earn on. Okay, so we're going to say we pick up 1 of these $4.25 Stouffer's roast turkey frozen meals, or something of that nature, and then we're going to pick up 1 of those pizza pasta family size meals. Now, you're going to be getting back $3 in earns, and your total out of pocket is $9.90, but your final out of pocket is $6.90, guys. So, yeah, that is your 4th and 5th and your final food deal for this video. Now, let's have a look at how we can combine some of these deals together to make a Saturday scenario. Okay, let's go back to our first deal with the tortillas and the refried beans and the Bugles. That's $10. And this is your out-of-pocket with your coupons. And then your number 3 deal, which is your Kraft deal with the dressings. Now, you could either do either one of those deals. Out-of-pocket may be a little bit different. Okay? But at this point, you're at like $21. So you need to add some more. For one, we're doing an instant savings deal. So we're going to need $27, not $25. So you're going to add that Airwick warmer for $4. And then you're going to add that Febreze small space for $3.25. And you've got a $2.30 coming off of that. Now, your total here is $28.25. You got $17 in coupons coming off. That's $11.25 out of pocket. And $3.30 in earns makes your final out of pocket $7.95. And of course, you can even make it lower by using your earns to help pay for this. And how do you use your spend money? Your earn cash money. You use it like a gift card. And you can use it at the self-checkout as well. So there you go, guys. Make sure before you do any of these deals that you check out the Fetch and the ShopMem apps, and see if there's any additional rebates. So make sure, tongue-tied, cut. Make sure before you go, you check on your Fetch and your ShopMem for your rebates, so you even save more money on your food items. And if you don't have Fetch, well, here is your Fetch referral, and they'll give you some money to get started with. And Fetch is super simple. All you got to do is buy your product and scan your receipt. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.